cabin air filters are accessible on the passenger side of the car. The top set of filters are behind the glove box, and the bottom set are accessed from underneath the dashboard in the passenger footwell. The glove box is held in place by 6 Phillips head screws. The green arrows point to the screws along the top edge of the glove box. The purple arrows point to the screws hidden inside the glove box, inside the top edge. The yellow arrows point to the rubber covers over the screws on the bottom of the glove box. Open the glove box and remove the light assembly from the top by carefully prying out the right corner first, then disconnect the electrical sender. Pry out the 2 rubber covers on the bottom of the glove box to access the screws underneath. Give the glove box a good tug to pull it out of the dashboard. Inside the dashboard, you'll see the upper housing for the cabin air filters. Slide the white locking tab upwards to unlock the access door, as indicated by the green arrow, and remove the door. There are 2 filters inside the upper housing. Pull the first one straight out. As you can see in this picture, ours was filled with dust and a few leaves. Once the first filter is removed, slide the other filter over and pull it out of the housing. This picture shows the 2 new upper filters. Place them in the filter housing in the reverse order of how you remove the old ones. Take note of the raised ends on each of the filters. These face up when you install them. Now pop the access door back on and reinstall the glove box. Now crawl under the dashboard on the passenger side and remove the 2 Phillips head screws holding the access panel to the dashboard, as indicated by the green arrows. Remove the lower panel. Under the access panel are 2 doors that hold the lower cabin filters in place. Slide the 2 yellow locking tabs towards the front of the car and release the doors, green arrows. With the doors removed, you'll see the old filters. Take note of the printing on the bottom edge of the filter showing the direction of the airflow, green arrows. You'll want to take note of this when you install the new filters. Here's a picture of the new lower filters. Make sure that you check the top edges of the old filters as you remove them so you know which filter goes where. As you can see here, one filter has a beveled edge at the top while the other is straight. Use the tabs on the bottom of the filters to pull them out of the housings. Then simply push the new filters up into the housings, refit the housing doors, and refit the lower access panel. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.